Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to appeal a disabled Instagram account and get it reinstated. As you can see here, you may see something like your account has been disabled for violation of our terms. Learn how you may be able to restore your account. So when you click on learn more, it will give you more information. You can also just click on the cancel, and then to bring you to the new screen where it will ask you to appeal. So you click on the appeal, it brings you here where you may be asked to upload a verification selfie. And then let me even let you know the reason why you may get suspended is one of the policies is what we call account integrity. What is account integrity? Account integrity is if they suspect that your interactions looks like you are overdoing something. For example, if you get fake followers, if you are trying to send messages to many people at the same time, they may suspect you are using a bot or an AI software, or you are trying to follow so many people at the same time. So all of that is what they classify as what account integrity. There are several policies which I will advise you try and then go to the policies page and know all of them. So in doing this, you may also have used creators multiple account with different date of birth and all of that, and they want to make sure that you are genuine and real. If not, they don't want you to be having many fraudulent accounts and all of that. So when you click on upload, if it is on a phone, they will ask you to just use your camera to record, capture your face. If it is on a computer, you will see upload. So you click on the upload, get a very clear picture of yourself like what you're seeing here. Then after that, you click on the submit. Then after you submit it, they may also ask of your ID card. So here they are saying we need a photo of your official ID with your date of birth visible and then other information. So you can use something like you can use your national ID, you can use your voter ID, you can use passport, driving license, birth certificate, any of them that has clear image of you, where they can see your first and last name, your date of birth, your gender, and your profile photo on it. They will just accept it and they will use it to check against the information you submitted earlier. So they can even scan that and scan your face, the picture you sent earlier, to make sure that it is matching. If it is not matching, they will know it is not you. If it is matching, and in fact, in some cases, if it is about identity verification issues, if it is matching, they will reinstate the account. But if it is something relating to you maybe you try to overdo something and they suspect that you are not a human being, this one, in that case, they may verify that you are a real human being, but maybe the action you took, you have overdone it. So as you can see here, I followed the processes, I submitted the ID card, they told me the appeal has been submitted. And normally when you submit the appeal, it takes over a day, 24 hours to 48 hours. They will review it. If they review it and they find out that you did not really violate any policy, they will just reinstate your account and you can have your account again. If you follow this step-by-step process, you'll be able to appeal and reinstate your Instagram account. If you follow it and you have any problem, I will leave my WhatsApp and Telegram link in the description of this video. You can follow it to contact me. You can also leave your comments in the comment section. Remember to also subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos. Once again, see you in the next video and bye.